For insurance.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, this thing fell off the trailer.
No,
right?
I was rock crawling and it rolled.
Yeah.
Toxic love, look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. Take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. Look how you make me.
Cool. I got EMS and people coming to help flip you over. You need a hand? Yeah, we got a rollover over here. Do you need EMS? It's gonna need to be pulled off track radiators.
Good.
Copy.
You're okay, right?
Yeah.
That one coming after you is coming real slow.
Copy. At least they got on camera.
Yeah? It's the important thing.
Should we be sending people to start line?
You got a winch. You want to pull the cable out once you get it upright, and I'll play you back.
Yeah.
I got one as well.
All right. Dang, messed up the front end.
Sent her a little too hard.
Oh yeah, dude, I landed right in the cactus.
Hold on, let's wait for Kyle to get here.
We want pictures. Do you want your social media picture?
Yeah, do you want to? You should go stand on it while it's upside down. You're gonna want a picture. All right. I promise it sucks right now, but you'll love this in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah.
The cactus is the worst out here.
Yep.
So what happened was,
Tim, I was wondering if I could borrow your car.
yeah, right?
He found the limit and exceeded
Yeah.
it. You all right, though? Okay.
You want a picture before we get this thing riding?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Cheese. Yeah. Yeah, get on top of it.
All right, there we go.
All right. Ideal.
For insurance.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, this thing fell off the trailer.
No,
right?
I was rock crawling and it rolled.
Yeah.
Someone stole it. Somebody stole it. There you go. Yeah. That's always the answer. I don't know what happened to it.
You're out of PMI and just hit a bad bump.
There you go.
All right.
PPI fences.
Can we?
Did you? Is it in park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me roll my machine out of the way.
Yeah.
in
Hold
case
on.
it's
Let's get his machine out of the danger zone.
Yours is heavy.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, yeah. There she goes!
Good job.
Oh, dude, you can't even tell.
Hey, your camera survived.
Radiator, but other than that,
The camera's still going?
It's still going. Want a drink?
Yeah, I need that. Thank you. Still going?
that's a little tweak.
Broken axle.
Still going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. I got EMS and people coming to help flip you over. You need a hand?
I'm good right now.
Warrior 7, respond. Do you have that rollover up there?
Yeah, we got a rollover over here.
Good copy. I'm on my way.
Do you need EMS?
Good, man?
Yeah. It's gonna need to be pulled off track radiators.
You good?
Yeah.